In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and reconcile bank transactions in QuickBooks Online. We'll start at your bank's online portal. Download your transactions in CSV format for the date range you want to bring into QuickBooks. Most banks let you choose a file type. Make sure it's CSV, not PDF or Excel. When you export, include at least the date, description, and amount. Save the file somewhere easy to find and give it a clear name so you don't mix it up later. Next, log into QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, head to the banking area. You can get there from the main navigation. From here, choose Upload Transactions. Some layouts may say Link Account, then Upload from File. Both paths take you to the same place where you can bring in your CSV. QuickBooks will ask which bank account you want to import into. If the account already exists in your chart of accounts, select it so the transactions land in the right place. If it doesn't exist yet, create a new account and name it something recognizable, like the bank name and last 4 digits, so you can identify it easily later. Now upload the CSV file you downloaded. QuickBooks will prompt you to map your columns, match the bank's date column to date, the description to description, and the amount to amount. If your CSV has separate columns for money in and money out, map them accordingly. Double check that the date format matches what QuickBooks expects and that expenses are negative and deposits are positive if you're using a single amount column. If the first row is a header, make sure it's not being imported as a transaction. Once the file is mapped, review the imported transactions for accuracy. Scan the list for obvious issues like duplicate entries, dates outside your selected range, or amounts that don't match your bank statement. If something looks off, it's better to cancel and fix the CSV than to clean up a messy import later. After the review, categorize or match your transactions to existing records. When QuickBooks finds a match for a bill payment, invoice payment, or previously entered expense, approve the match. If there's no match, choose the correct category, add the payee if needed, and include any memo details that will help you recognize the transaction in the future. Finally, save your work and reconcile. Reconciliation means comparing the transactions in QuickBooks to your bank statement to confirm the ending balance and date. This step keeps your records accurate and up to date, and it's best done regularly so you can spot and resolve discrepancies early.